What's up everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I got for you guys another device that'll change your phone into a pleasurable gaming machine. Check it out. So this device here is called the Backbone 1. It is a mobile gamepad made only for iPhone and iPod. It works from the iPhone 6s all the way up to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now before I open it up, unbox it and test it out, let's go over some of the features. So, this controller here supports certain games on iOS. Supports I think like about 1,000 games. Low latency connection, it connects straight into your iPhone, no Bluetooth. You can also connect the headphones while you're playing, or you can connect your AirPods, whatever you like. Some features where you could capture game clips and share it with your friends through the app. Very compact design. It also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. So you could go ahead and connect any headphones that you want while you're playing. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it comes with. Nice packaging. Quick start guide. Nice solid buttons. Got your Type-C port. 3.5mm headphone jack. I like where they place at the bottom so it doesn't interfere with your gaming. Let's put this to the side. Very smooth buttons, it's very high quality. Padded, so it doesn't scratch up your phone. This is the size of it compared to an Xbox controller. So it's basically similar size to what you're used to on a regular console. This is in comparison with my Stadia controller. So you can see there's a lot of similarity between the buttons, from the video capture buttons to the pause to the menu buttons. They're all basically the same. Once plugged into your phone, it uses your phone's power. It doesn't really drain it that quickly. They say that you have about like 4 hours of gaming with it, which is not bad. But also if you want, for those extended gaming sessions, you can just plug it in with your Type-C, let it charge while you're playing. And like I said, I like where they place the ports on the bottom so it doesn't interfere with your gaming. Pro here, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it onto the Backbone 1. Automatically launches. Let's go ahead and sign into my Apple ID. Okay, so now it's just taking us through the setup. Right here it's telling you to record unlimited gameplay at full HD, 30 frames per second. Start off with Call of Duty.
We lost the lead. We tied for the lead. Taking the lead.
Definitely playing with some bots. What the heck is this?
Lost the lead. Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hunter killer drone on standby. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Predator missile on standby.
Definitely some bots. What the heck? Come back here. Come back here. Oh my god, I suck too. Get out of here. As you can see, many features. One feature you have is remote play for your Xbox, for your PlayStation, also for Steam. You got many games you can play with. Other people's highlights. So it's basically a full-on gaming console right in your hand. So you can also play Cyberpunk with this device here through the Google Stadia app. If you have it on your Google Stadia, you can play it on your iPhone using this device. So it'll set the new standards for mobile gaming. It's very compact. You can take it with you anywhere. If you're bored, just go ahead, plug it in, and just play. And you still get your notifications and all that stuff, so you won't miss anything. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe for more future unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.